Everyone around you seems to want an answer, and the loudest voice asking is your own. You want the question closed so that it stops torturing you at 3 o'clock in the morning, because 1 minute you are certain that you want to leave and the next moment you want to stay. So it starts to feel like something is wrong with you, like everyone else can see the answer except you. Nothing is wrong with you. You are being asked to make one of the biggest decisions of your life while your nervous system is still in the middle of an emergency. That is the worst possible condition for a decision. You're trying to answer two questions at the same time. One is how to heal, and the other one is whether you stay or go. They feel like the same question, but they aren't. On a steadier day, you feel a little better and you read that as maybe we can make this work. The next day, the pain comes back and you interpret it as a sign that you have to leave. But your mood in any given moment isn't information about the relationship. It's information about where you are in your own healing. Feeling better today doesn't mean the relationship is right. It means that you had a steadier day. Feeling shattered tomorrow doesn't mean that you have to go. It means that the wound is still raw. So the first move isn't to decide, it's to pull these two questions apart. Your healing is one track, your decision is another. They touch, but they are not the same, and you can't make a clear decision from the inside of an unhealed day. That's also why not having an answer yet isn't weakness, and it isn't a sign that you are failing to face things. You are refusing to let a decision this big get made by the most frightened, exhausted version of you. Besides, staying today isn't a verdict that you are staying forever, and it isn't a promise you can't take back. While you study yourself, you're not just waiting, you're watching for real information and evidence. And that is so much more useful than anything you can come up with at 3 o'clock in the morning. The clearest signal of whether this can be repaired isn't how sorry your partner says they are. It's what they do. Do they take full ownership without turning it back on you? Is the remorse about the damage they have done? Or are they just sorry that they got caught? Are they willing to be fully transparent, to end it cleanly, to sit in your pain without rushing you to be okay? That's the difference between an apology and repair. And it's one of the strongest signs of whether rebuilding is even possible. When your mind starts demanding the verdict, split it back into two real questions and take them one at a time. What do I need to do today to heal, even a little bit? And separately, over weeks, not tonight, is this a life I want to keep building? Answer the first question daily and then let the second question gather evidence. You may not feel certain for a long time, and you may still feel doubt long after you choose. Whichever way you go, that doesn't mean you got it wrong. Almost no one gets a clean, sure feeling here. The goal was never certainty. It's to get steady enough and to watch closely enough that whatever you choose, it's your choosing it and not the panic choosing it for you.